Hello, welcome back. So, today we are going to be learning about slope. Today is the introductory day. I'm going to teach about slope. So, there are four types of slopes, or four types of lines. This one, this one, this one, and this one. I'm going to be writing down what does each one mean so you guys can get an understanding once you start solving them. And then we're going to solve them first with numbers and probably next video on graph. So, oh, and this is on paper, not online, so first time, so let's begin. Okay, so the first line here that is going to go horizontally is going to be a slope of 0. So I'm going to write it down. Sorry if my hand is covering everything, but here it is. Here is the slope of 0. When you see this horizontal line, the slope is 0. Now, you have this line next. This one goes left to right. This is going to be a negative slope. Because as I said, it's going left to right. And as you see, it is going down. So anything that goes down, you might have learned this, anything that goes down is negative. Now, number 3 is going to go up and down. Up and down means this is an undefined slope. You'll keep learning this. You can search up what is undefined, but this is basically what's undefined. A line that goes up and down. It doesn't go anywhere. It's probably just in a point. But now, number 4, this is going to go, again, this is going to go up, left, and right. Left to right. What I forgot to mention this here is that it's going to go down, left, and right. This is going down left and right, and this one is going up, left, and right. So this one is going to be a positive slope. Sorry, back to where I was going to. So you have 4 lines. The one that goes horizontally, this one. This is a 0 slope. Number 2 goes down left to right, is a negative slope. Number 3, which goes up and down, or down and up, is undefined. And number 4, which goes up left to right, it's positive. You can rewind the video so you can take notes of this. Now, we are going to be solving these ones. So, when solving these ones, you have to know something. There is a formula. And the formula is given in here. So, we're going to find the slope. And the formula to find the slope is going to be y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. In a few moments, I'm going to be explaining that, but I'm going to zoom in. And as you can see here, there is y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. You can take a moment and write this formula. You can pause the video, but here's the formula we're going to use to be solving these problems. Now I'm going to zoom out. Oh, and by the way, I'm recording from my phone, so sorry. Okay, so we have number 1, we have 2 over 3 and 9 over 7. Comma 7, or however you like to say it. So, we're going to apply the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, if you guys see a mistake, which I usually make, please make sure to tell me. It's okay to make mistakes. We learn from our mistakes, so let's do our best. So, I'm going to explain now what this means. So, these, when you have a coordinate, dots, I mean, when you have a coordinate that you already graphed and you already took numbers of it, your first one is going to be x, and your second one is going to be y. So your first number, you get it from the x-axis, and the last number, you get it from the y-axis. So you're going to take the second number. If it's y2, it's going to be the second number. So this one, number 2 is going to be this one, and number 1 is going to be this one. So you're going to take y2, so you're going to take 7, subtract it, subtract it, give me a second. Sorry, I needed to refill my pencil lid. So, as I said, you're going to subtract 7, and then you're going to go to your next y, your first y. So you're going to subtract 7 minus 3. Then it's going to go over. Then comes the part for x2 minus x1. So x2 is going to be 9. So 9 is going to go here, minus the other x, which is going to be 2. And it's okay if you don't understand it. Everybody takes their own time to learn at their pace. The important thing is that you learn how to solve it. You don't need pressure. You don't need to hold up pressure. You can take your time, because most people are going to have difficulties understanding this. So, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. And 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So, we're going to simplify this, because obviously this may or may not be our answer, but we're still going to simplify it. If you are in 8th grade, you're going to use a calculator, just like I'm going to do it right now. You can go to decimals.com. I'm going to leave the link down. I'm going to go to this calculator, and we're going to simplify 4 over 7. So, give me a second. How do I like these calculators? Give me a second. Okay, sorry, I needed to do some calculations, but according to that calculator, this fraction is already reduced to 4 over 7, so the answer is going to be 4 over 7. And this is going to be your slope. Probably on the next videos we're going to learn also y-intercept. But if I am wrong, you can make sure to tell me in the comments, or however you want to tell me. But if you want, you can try to simplify it from this, but this should be the simplest form. Now, we are going to number 2. This is going to be 3, 4, 2, 4, 6. So again, I'm going to write the formula. I'm going to extend it a little bit, or zoom it in so you can see. So the formula is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So, again, you can label this. There is no problem. This also counts as showing your work. As I said, everybody learns at their pace. You can make mistakes. Who doesn't? Nobody's perfect. So, y2 and y1. So, remember, this is number 2 and this is number 1.